Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to connect different pages within a Notion table. The process is quite straightforward if you follow these steps. To begin, we need to set up a new database. I will label this database number 1. Type a slash and select database inline. Then give the table the same title. Next, we will repeat this for a second entry. Title it database number 2. Use the inline command again and name it database 2 to keep everything organized. To establish a connection between these two, head over to your first database and select Add Property. From the list of options, choose Relation and then pick Database 2 as your target. Click Add Relation to confirm the link. To ensure the connection works both ways, go into the Property settings and enable the two-way relation toggle. Now, when you are working in Database 1, you can simply click the cell to link directly to Database 2. You can see the connection is now active, allowing you to jump straight to the related entry. That is how you link pages within Notion tables. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.